question, right, is the trending type of question I'm talking about. Yeah, what do I mean by trending type of question? Because this type of question are like simulation type of question. Simulation. Let me type it out, right? Simulation. Right, simulation. That means it's some kind of a sport or some kind of they're doing something, right? Last year's was about the badminton court thing. I'm not sure if Andre has seen it. The badminton court question. So I mean Rosai they're using the swimming question, right? To simulate. That means okay, what's simulation? That means you must simulate the thing happening, and then you is that there's probably no mathematical. I mean the solution is actually not very mathematical, right? But there's a bit of calculation and you need to simulate like the thing happening. Then you can find out exactly what's going on. Yeah, all right. So let's take a look at the question, right? So Sam and Ben started swimming at the same time from the opposite end. So we get Sam over here, and this is S, and then Ben over here. Ben a bit shorter, because he slower. Okay. So each Y would turn in the opposite direction and continue swimming. So that means Sam will jump in and swim. Once he reaches here, he will swim back and forth and back and forth and back. Alright. So same thing for Ben. Ben will jump in and go front, back, front, back, front, back. So the average speed of Sam was 1 meter per second, right? And the speed of Ben was 0.6. So because Ben is shorter, right? Ben is shorter, so he's slower. 0.6. So how many times did they meet each other if they swam for 10 minutes? Now, first of all, this thing is 30 meters. 30 meters. Now, if it's 30 meters, let's just calculate Sam. Sam, how many laps will he swim if he swam for 10 minutes? Are you able to calculate that? How many laps would he be able to swim if okay, because it's 1 meter, he's swimming 1 meter per second. How much time is he going to need to swim 1 lap of 30 meters? Right? 20 seconds, is it? Oh, he can swim 20 laps. Yeah, very good, right? So Sam is going to swim 20 laps. That's very fast calculation. Okay, how about Ben? Wait, how about Ben? In 10 minutes, how many laps? Let's say they are not knocking into each other. Yeah, it'd be funny if they knock into each other. Then the question will be more complicated. How many laps will Ben will swim? Ben will swim less laps, right? Less laps, not 10. Less. Are you able to calculate? It's okay, it's okay. Anyway, actually it doesn't matter. This one we don't know, also never mind. Never mind. Why? Because we got the, yeah. Sorry, how come what? Okay. No, actually it's the same. You see, the average speed of Ben was 0.6 meter per second, right? So 10 minutes. How many seconds are there in 10 minutes? 60 times 10, right? So 600 second. So every 1 second, Ben will swim 0.6 meters, right? So Ben is going to swim for 600 seconds. So every 1 second, he will swim 0.6 meter. So we just take 0.6 times 600. Okay, so 0.6, 360. Yeah, so 360 meters. How many laps is 360 meters? 12, right? So we take 360 divided by 30, so that's 12 laps. Yeah, Ben will swim 12 laps. And then we are stuck here because then your question becomes, okay, this guy swims 20 laps and this guy swims 12 laps. Am I supposed to find the common factor or multiple, or what is it, if you are thinking from the mathematical point of view, right? So if you are like mathematician, you'll be like, okay, I need to calculate. Okay, what I got 20, I got 12 here, how to calculate? Alright, so the solution for this is not to calculate, is to simulate. You gotta simulate the guy actually swimming, right? So we want to do one simple simulation. Okay, so imagine this Sam jumps in and he swim 2 laps. Just for example, okay, he swim 2 laps, so he go here and he comes back. Alright, then let's say Ben, within that same time, Ben only swim 1 lap. Okay, how many times will they meet? One more time, we just do a simple simulation first. So this Sam goes in, he swim here, and then he goes back. Okay, then within this time, Ben only go from here to here, just one time. How many times would they meet? Are you able to? Sorry? No, 2 times. The answer is 2 times. One more time. So Sam jumps in, right? You see, okay, I'm gonna use blue to indicate Sam. So Sam goes here and then he turns back. Correct? Okay, I'm gonna use green for Ben. So Ben, you see, Ben is going, yeah, just one time this way. Alright, so they would actually meet twice. Why is it twice? Because as first time is as Sam is swimming here, right? Let's say Sam is here, this Ben is here, swimming towards this direction, so they will meet here. They'll meet one time. Then Ben is still swimming here, right? Ben is still swimming, but then Sam will go here and then come from his back. They will meet like maybe another time. Okay? Yeah. Yes, correct. Yes. That is, don't need to face to face. No need. This is just meet. How many times they meet each other. So you see, pass each other. Okay, so you see Sam go here, they meet one time, right? And then after that, Sam swim back. By the time Sam is here, this because Sam is swimming faster, yeah, they meet another time, so come back here again. You see what I mean? Alright, so what can we deduce from here? The number of times that they meet depends on the faster swimmer. One more time, the number of times they meet depends on the person who swim the fastest. Because let's say Ben swim here one time, right? Then but this guy, he can do 3 laps. How? Let's say he can do a 3rd lap. Then he boom one more time. How many times do they meet? They will meet 3 times.
3 times?
Can you see that? Like let's say if Sam is here, but then this guy, he can swim so fast, he do one more time, right? So they're gonna meet another time. So can you see that 3 times here? And how many laps for Sam? 3 laps. Yeah, so basically we don't care how many laps the slower guy can go. We only care how many laps Sam can go. Can you see that? So the answer is just 20. They will meet 20 times. That's it. The answer is 20 times. Yeah, they will meet 20 times. Because swing 2 lap, meet 2 times, right? Then when Sam swing 3 lap, will meet 3 times. So we don't care about Ben, because even though he turn back, let's say he turn back here, right? Let's say he turn back here. It also depends on how fast this guy is. You know what I mean? Like he go here 1 lap, he come back, oh, then they'll meet another time. Then let's say he's turning here, he go back, then they'll meet another time, right? So it depends on how fast the faster swimmer is. So the number of laps he swim is equal to the number of time they will meet. Yeah, so this, you see, this question is difficult. Why? Nobody has seen it, you know. So this type of simulation question, you cannot prepare. There's no way for you to prepare for this. There's so many things that they can simulate. It can be train, it can be aeroplane, it can be so many scenarios. Right, last year was badminton. We can take a look at the question if you want, right? That means playing badminton one last year. So yeah, this, I mean, in Rosai they have a swimming one. Swimming one is a very good simulation question. There's no template, that you just got to think on the spot. Yeah. Okay, it's half speed, because you still need to calculate like how many laps this guy did. You still must find out lah. So let's say if you are able to find out 20 laps as the answer, you probably get how many marks? Maybe like 1 mark, 2 marks. Yeah, but because the final question is how many times did they meet each other if they swam for 10 minutes, right? This one is the critical thing, right? Something that you gotta think on the spot. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I mean, to some people it's okay. To some people love this because no need to prepare mah. Right? There's nothing to prepare, no homework to do. There's no homework. You know, you just got to think on the spot. Yeah, so this is a simulation question, okay? And you are definitely going to see one in the PSLE. Yeah, definitely there'll be one, something like that. So every school will have their version. Every school has their own version. Correct. We can see, yeah, we can see what their version of this simulation question is. Yeah, so you can get used to it, right? So once again, the solution for this 20 left, there is no mathematical method or way for you to go and calculate. You know, you can calculate like 20 laps, then you calculate 12 laps, but eventually, yeah, you still can earn some working mark lah. They're not so bad to give you 0. You know, you can still earn some working marks from this. Alright, so this simulation question, definitely it will come out one of it. Okay, not this one, not this, but something like that. It will be something. You cannot prepare for it. You just got to read and on the spot figure out what it is. Yeah, that's it, right? So that's some interesting. It's very interesting because this type will really sieve out, you know, those who are the really good ones, the people who are good, right? They can think on the spot. So anyway, just one tip on simulation question. Usually simulation question, all you have to do is to tune down whatever information that they give you. For example, you know, here they give you 20 laps and 12 laps, right? What you do to simulate, okay, what did we do to simulate? We just use 2 laps, right? Instead of using 20 laps, we just use 2 laps and then we simulate and see what happens. Right, so this is one tip for simulation question. Just use a smaller number. Just use a smaller number and see what happens. Yeah, right. So you don't have to use the entire 20, right? You just use 2 and you see what happens. Yeah, okay, so that's one useful thing that I do all the time, right? Just, yeah. Okay, just reduce the number. Think of it in a simpler way and see what you get. Alright? Okay, so yeah, so that's for this Rosyth paper. Everything else she got correct. Okay, so that's really great.